Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see assignment operation. I am Bala Ranganathan. We have seen assignment operation in the past. It's pretty straightforward concept, taking a variable and assigning the value. Variable is a memory location in which you are basically assigning or storing a value which you would be using it in your operations. The syntax or rule to use assignment operation is variable and equal to sign, which is a mathematical sign, and value. Value is stored in the variable. Example 5 means 5 we are storing in a memory location, and that memory location we are calling it as count. John is a text which we are storing in a variable name called username, which is a memory location. Similarly, date. We'll see the same concept, but we'll have few more variations of using this assignment operation. Let's look into that. Assignment operation also can be defined as plus equal to, means before in an assignment operation, if you are specifying a plus symbol on any operator, then it takes the assignee operator's value and whatever value you're assigning and the operation which you are performing. For example, x plus equal to y, same as x equal to x plus y. Similarly, for subtraction, which is minus of equal to, which is multiplication, multiply of equal to, and then division, which is division of equal to, or modulus or equal to. Let's see this as an example or implementation example with some variables so that you can understand the concept a little better. Launch your notepad and also launch your command prompt for execution. And this session we are going to see how to perform following operation, which I have already defined. Let's go with it. So we're going to see assignment operation with the various variants. So this we have seen in the past how we have used it. Like you can say x as a variable, and in the x we can store a value 10, and y as a variable we can store a value as 5. Now you say echo x equal to x, then y equal to y. You should get value of x and y, and like as I stated operation x equal to y, if you do that operation, what will happen is x value, which is 10, will be overwritten with value 5. So what you are saying is store the value of y variable's value into x, right? Memory location. So if I say echo x equal to x, I should get value as 5. So let's see this example and then we'll try to apply all other operators. Save and let's go and run them. So when you run it, if you can see x equal to 10 and y equal to 5, the assigned value is 5, means the x value is overwritten by y value because we are providing an assignment operation. So this is we have seen. So this is standard value assignment to a variable, and this is again a standard value assignment to a y variable. In this particular case, we assigned one variable value to the other variable value, which is y is one variable and x is another variable, right? So let's go and try to apply this operator concept. How does it work, right? So let's do with a just normal constant. Let's say x equal to so x value was reassigned the value as 10, and then let's come back and say x equal to x plus 10. So what should happen is now x 10 should be basically added with the value of x, which is 10. Then you should basically get a value as 20. X value should be 20, which is similar x equal to plus equal to 10. I can say the same thing back. This both operation should yield me the same result. Let's see. Equal to let's say x, which is the first operation, which we are doing it here, and let's see the same value. So for our reference in the echo statement, we can say x equal to x plus 10 as an expression. Here x plus equal to 10 was our expression. Let's see how does this operation work. Let's save this and rerun our code. So TagUI, I forgot to give a space. So let's reassign a value and let me rerun this back again. So as you've seen, x equal to x plus 10 and x plus equal to 10 has the same value. This could be done with a variable as well. So if you can go and we can say x equal to x plus y, and I'm going to comment this code, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to apply the same logic here, which is I'm going to comment this and I'm going to apply with the same variable xy. X plus equal to y, it should also yield the same value. Let's save this and run it again. Okay, so for our clarity, let's add y value as well so that we can see what is the value of y. Y. So save and let's run. If you can see, both the results are same. The x value is 15, x value is 15, both the type of equation. Although I haven't changed my text here, I should have said x plus y, x plus y. So let's save it. So now this whole example has become with a. So if you see, both the values are same, which is the x result at the end of the day, both the x results are same, which is x is 15 here in this case. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So which is x is 10 and y is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. In this case, same thing, 10 plus 5 is 15, so it should be 15. So what I'm trying to explain you is the operations which you do, x is equal to x plus y, can be depicted as plus equal to y. It's just a variance of using it. It makes the code look a little cleaner, and you save time when you're typing a lot of code. Each character you less type and then provide the same expression. It makes things easier. So this is one of the way of assignment operation with addition. So same thing or same example you can apply with other operators. I have defined the same example with a constant variable. I'm going to just copy paste it and then we'll run and see it. Right. So this is the first example I have. It is plus equal to example. And then the next example I have is minus equal to. The next example I have is multiply and equal to. And then we have divide and equal to. And you have modulus and equal to. So I'm going to run it and I'm going to store all these values in a variable, or like just to show this is the result, what is the result we have. So let's save and run, and for our benefit let's clear the screen and let's just run it again. So if you can see, it will start doing it. Oh, so there is some error. Where is the error? Okay, so I haven't defined or declared a variable called where x. It's a copy paste mistake, which is a very common mistake. Let's copy and define the variable, which is x is equal to 10, and then see how it goes. So in this particular case, x is equal to 10 plus 5, 15. In this particular case, 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 into 5 is 50. 10 divided 5 is 2. And it should be a 0 as a reminder. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if the error is gone or not. See, so if you can see, we have all the results, right? So first is 15, as I said, then second one is 10, then 50, multiply, and then like modulus is 0. So this finishes our assignment operators with arithmetic operations. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next session.